Hi guys, you know what? Today I'm in a mood for an acrylic pour. I haven't done it in 2 weeks, only in the workshops, and I used a different kind of white. It's more of a study paint and it created a beautiful effect, more like more lacing. So I'm gonna use that today, and this is a square canvas, 50 by 50. And I'm gonna use metallics, black, and maybe some turquoise. Let's see how that goes. Okay, I'm starting with copper. Black. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use a little bit of turquoise in here. Okay, and pour some white around this. Okay, so I'm gonna blow the white over the colors. You see, this white really reacts differently. I would like more of that dark in there. Okay, shall we torch this? Because I feel like there are already a lot of cells, but I just want to see what comes through it. Oh, that's cool. I'm really enjoying this painting. It has so many delicate, soft lines, but then there's a lot of contrast parts in this as well. And I used this time the titanium white of I Love Art. I don't know if you can get it. I just bought it in the art store to test it out in my workshop. And it worked. Yeah, I really love this. I just needed to pour again. Yeah, it's great. So let me see how this dries, and guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next video.